In Survey Analytics version 5.5, we have enhanced the data segmentation and filtering tool to include some new question types that you can now use for data segmentation. And those are the same as what you can now do in the survey creation side. And that would include date and time question type, open-ended numeric data or values, open-ended comments, rank order, as well as side-by-side matrix. So let's go ahead and jump into the analytics and go to the advanced analysis, and inside here with the new filter, if you've set up data segmentation before, it's pretty much the same process, and to access the new question types, you would just go inside and select the questions that you want to use. So now on this list, you should be able to see that you can now pull a rank order question type, the side-by-side matrix here, as well as some various open-ended text. So to see what I've set up, let's jump back to our filters. So you can see I did a rank order question or rank order segment with Charlie, the character of Charlie, as being ranked number 1. And we can go in and see what I've done here. So I pulled Charlie, ranked number 1, and then I also added an additional question that was an open-ended numeric value, asking them how many times did they watch the Kitten Mitten video. And then I said anyone who says at least over 2 times, then we can count them as part of this segment. You can also include response date ranges if you like, all at one time, as well as additional system variables. So once you fill those all in, save your filter, select continue, and then you can see your response count, and then you can go to the report options here, review a summary report, a dashboard report, a text report, and download Excel, PowerPoint, and Word for this specific section of anyone who selected Charlie and ranked him as number 1. You can also do at a standalone a open-ended text value segment. So what the question I had was, what was the name of the singer that Frank and his brother both fell in love with, and the name was Dynasty. And what I did, go into the edit here, typed in the name, pulled the responses, and then you have the option to go equal to case sensitive, contains text, case sensitive, and in this case I'm just going to go to equals to, and then I typed in Dynasty. And then again, you can also do and or if you need to, and add some additional options. You can change your survey status to started, completed, or terminated. Once you set that up, save your filter, select continue. Then you can go back and you can see your response count. You can also add your time filter here, and then you can also pull and review the data based off of your open-ended comments, which is fantastic. And then of course this one here, I'm doing a side-by-side matrix question, and you can see that I pulled script quality and satisfaction, and I selected the answer from the side-by-side matrix, and that is selected, and then I added an and for the quality and satisfaction, selected, and then you can also add some additional options, save the filter, continue, and then you're all set to go. So once again, you can go in and you can edit. In the past you had to delete and then re-add, but now you can just go in and edit it on the fly, which is really nice. And if you don't already know, you can download the filters of all these from here, as well as doing an online comparison report, if you choose to scroll down and click on the comparison report, then you can see a summary that analyzes the answers between two different segments side by side. So that is the enhancements to the data segmentation and filters with the new question types now available. The ones that's most exciting is definitely the open-ended numeric questions, whether it's numerical or open-ended comments. Now those are available, so that should really be exciting for everyone. So thank you very much for joining us, and have a good day.